This is an unboxing of the Wolf'em Stick biscuit cup and hot dog roaster. Right, you got two parts. Here's the handle. Here's for your biscuit. You're going to want to take your biscuit dough, go over the wood, cook it, pull it off. You're going to have a nice little cup to fill it with whatever kind of goodness you want. Then you're going to put it in here. Hold one handle and just rotate. Go ahead, switch tops. Put your hot dogs or sausages or whatnot on there, marshmallows, anything. Rotate so they're done the way you like them. I like them on fire. Here shortly. Until then, happy trails.